Good morning, students. Now it's time for your SST class, and today we'll be continuing with chapter 2, Surface of the Earth. A globe is shown in the picture. The globe is, what is globe? A globe is a small model of the Earth. It is round like the Earth. Just look at the picture. This is the globe, and it is just the model, small model of the Earth. The globe can also be rotated on its axis. It can be rotated as the Earth does. In the picture given alongside, both halves of the Earth are shown. So it can rotate just as the Earth rotates on its own axis. Some parts of the Earth are shown in blue and some in yellow in this picture. The blue part depicts the water and the yellow part depicts the land. So there are two colors that are shown in the picture, the blue part and the yellow part. The blue part is depicts the water, and the yellow part it depicts the land. And we can see that the area covered by water is much larger than that of the land. Interesting facts. Martin Behem made one of the first globes of the Earth in Germany in 1492. Oceans. What are oceans? Oceans. A large body of water on the Earth is called ocean. So a large body of water on the Earth is called ocean. The Earth has four oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. So how many oceans? There are four oceans: the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, and the Arctic Ocean. Out of these, the Pacific is the largest ocean, and the Indian Ocean has been named after our country's name. It is the smallest ocean. So which is the largest ocean? The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and the Indian Ocean is the smallest ocean. Do you know the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean? Its area is about 16,5384 thousand kilometers, and it covers 45.9% of oceanic area. Interesting fact: Asia is the largest continent in both size and population. Look at the picture. This is the picture. This is the North Pole. These are the North Pole, and these are the South Pole. These are the two halves of the globe as per map. Continents. The land surface of the Earth is divided into two large parts. These large parts are called continents. So the land surface that was depicted as yellow, it is divided into two large parts, and they are called continents. There are 7 continents in the world: Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. I am repeating once again. There are 7 continents in the world: Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Our country is in the Asia continent. Asia is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Which is the largest ocean? Which is the Pacific Ocean, and smallest ocean is the Indian Ocean. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent, and Australia is the smallest continent. The Antarctica continent remains covered with ice throughout the year. What is map? The globe is very useful to us, but it has certain shortcomings. Like, see, globe, it is very much useful, but it has some disadvantages also. It is very difficult to carry the globe from one place to another, as it is bigger in size, so it is very much impossible for us to carry every time from one place to another easily. Number 2, it is not possible to show all small places on the globe. To do away these problems, we use maps. Maps are drawn on the flat surfaces. You must have seen maps. It is just like a book. It is drawn on the flat surfaces. They can be drawn very big also. They can be hung on the walls. Like some big posters can be hung on the walls. Small maps can be folded and kept in the books. The map that depicts the entire world is called the world map. Do you know? Before constructing a house or colony, a map is prepared and got approved by the local administration. Whenever you construct a building or any house or any colony, first we have to draw a map, and we have to get approved by the local administration. Directions on a map. You know there are 4 directions: east, west, north, south. If a map is hung on the wall, it has north direction on the top, south direction on the bottom, east direction to the right, and west direction to the left. Again I am telling there are 4 directions: east, west, north, south. Whenever a map is hung, the top direction is the north, the bottom is the south, the south, the east is the right, and the west is to the left. So we have finished this second chapter. I will be giving you fill in the blanks, write the answer, tick the correct answer. Copy all these things in your notebook. Thank you.